ICK 位於九龍城區元福路村道往太子道西方向行，停車場同匯豐銀行中間嘅樓梯就係 ICK 其中一個入口啦，亦都可以從升降機上1至樓。繼續向前行，匯豐銀行旁邊就係 ICK 嘅正門啦。我哋一齊上去睇下。
Imperial Children Kindergarten ICK 深信每一個小朋友都係充滿潛能同埋好奇心。我哋學校嘅課程係由專業嘅教學團隊設計同埋實踐，促進多元智能嘅發展，同埋培育佢哋多樣化嘅學習模式。希望為佢哋發掘出唔同嘅興趣，為佢哋開啟成為領袖嘅大門。呢個正係 Reggio Emilia 嘅教學理念。
So what Reggio Emilia approach is, in a nutshell, is a child-led approach that is all about the image of the child. So all learning topics are actually derived from children's interest, where they become little researchers working in various projects, and our teachers act as facilitators and supporters in every step of the way. With this approach, children are engaged in a happy learning environment where their interests are put forward, which enables them to develop their curiosity, their creativity, their compassion for one another, and confidence, and most importantly, a good character to become globally competent learners. So we ensure that children benefit from our curriculum that targets whole child education and multiple intelligence. Our affiliation with TQUK and having internal assessors who are our teachers to record children's learning progress in various key learning areas such as English, music and arts is one of our distinctiveness from many other schools. Children will be observed in a play-based setting during their school hours, and certificates are awarded gradually from K1 to K3. These certificates will be added to children's portfolios, highlighting children's well-roundedness when applying for primary school.
我哋學校好重視藝術同埋創意啦，咁藝術嘅創作可以有效咁展現出如遊戲中學習，咁小朋友可以融合知識啦，同埋佢哋無限嘅想像力。有咗構思之後，可以通過對唔同物料嘅自由探索啦，去尋找出自己最適合嘅表達方式。我哋嘅教學活動啦、環境佈置啦，同埋物料嘅準備都係以誘發小朋友嘅興趣為目標嘅。開揚嘅環境就可以俾小朋友同學校其他嘅成員保持一個緊密嘅聯繫，互相交流啦，同埋關心。多元化嘅物料就可以俾小朋友體驗一個科學家嘅精神，有好奇心，勇敢嘗試，仔細咁去觀察，然後靈活咁面對唔同嘅結果。而呢一個小小嘅 gallery 就係可以配合到學校着重學習過程嘅理念，展現出嚟嘅唔止係學生嘅作品，更係佢哋學習嘅記錄。希望老師、家長同小朋友都可以隨時分享唔同形式嘅學習成果。
呢間學校喺九龍城名校區，咁提供咗有質素啦，並且係以英文方式嚟上堂嘅課程。咁佢哋嘅課程每個月都有唔同嘅主題，內容係多元化啦，涵蓋咗係語言啦、視藝啊、邏輯思維啦，就係小朋友嘅大小肌肉嘅訓練。其中英語視藝元素係以唔同嘅主題啊、方法啊同埋物料去俾學生係主導去完成作品嘅。當初了解嘅時候佢哋以小朋友主導嘅教學方式就係吸引咗嘅。咁所以從幼稚園 K1 開始到現時，我哋都仲係繼續參加緊佢哋嘅課程嘅。
我哋學校除咗着重視覺藝術，課程仲會包括多樣化嘅元素，有主題學習以豐富小朋友嘅生活經驗為基礎，有專題研習引發學生嘅內在學習動機。音樂劇嘅課程會包括唱歌、跳舞同埋話劇。我哋定期會有外出參觀，推動校外教學，豐富學生嘅學習體驗。長假期仲會同家長一齊去海外交流，擴闊小朋友嘅國際視野。